Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I bake my ham steak with this sorrel, puree, sugar, and honey glaze. Here I have my ham steak. This is basically ham in a steak form, and as you can see, this marks gluten free, but that's because some companies add glaze to their ham that may contain gluten. This is unglazed. I'm gonna go ahead and make my glaze. I have some brown sugar. I'm gonna go in with some honey. This is raw honey, 100% raw honey. I have a pinch of clove, some garlic, and sorrel puree. I will share the link below for this sorrel puree. And then I went in with a bit of Hennessy. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a stir, and then I'm gonna slap it on my ham steak, and that's gonna be it. Go ahead and baste both sides of your ham steak. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And you want to flip this when it's halfway through. Pop it back in the oven to finish up. And this is what it looks like. Juicy and delicious. It's sticky. That Hennessy, it would just give it a nice flavor. You won't really taste it. I love the flavor that the Hennessy adds, guys. You have to try this recipe. You can play around with your glaze, add whatever you want. I'm gonna make this nice and pretty with some sorrel puree. Make it look presentable. Look at that. Isn't it lovely? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try.